Binance burned 1.8 million in Terra Classic trading fees following the community proposal. Very interesting. Binance is making some things happen, and let's kind of talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Let's talk about this. Okay, so cryptocurrency exchange Binance has announced it completed the first burn of Terra Classic tokens trading fee in response to the community proposal from the month of September. But now we're in October. So an October 3rd update, Binance CEO said the exchange has burned roughly 1.8 million worth of Terra Classic, formerly Terra Luna, trading fees for the trading partners of LUNC BUSD and LUNC USDT spot and margin trading pairs. Now, according to Binance, the burn included equivalent of that many Tether USDT, and that's roughly 5.5 million LUNC. And look at this right here, and this is coming from Binance on October 3rd. So the first LUNC burn 1.8 million-ish. So the burns will continue. We'll see what happens in the future here, but look at this as well. The exchange original announcement from the September 26th said the burns will be completed every Monday, making the next event October 10th, sending trading fees to a LUNC burn address. So more burns are coming. Binance is getting involved. We'll see what happens in the future. Let it burn. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and this is the ClearCryptos channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.